Hey y'all, Irix Guy here, back again from Irix Guy's Adventure Channel, youtube.com/Irix Guy. That's where you're watching this video, so be sure to subscribe, ring that bell, and check out all my videos. But within this video, I want to share a potentially useful tip for my fellow YouTube content creators. So a lot of people have asked me, and by the way, comment below, ask me your YouTube questions, and I'll try to respond within future videos. But a lot of people have asked, hey man, how do you come up with all of these video ideas? And that is an absolutely wonderful question, because here's how I do it, and there's not just one method. So the first thing I do is I read my comments. I read all my viewers' comments, and as my viewers ask questions, and as time permits, I post a video response. And how do I keep track of all of that? Because obviously at the time of filming this video, I've got close to, I think close to 95,000 subscribers and 70 million or so video views. So how do I keep track of all that? Well, it's actually quite simple. So throughout the evening, what I do, I read comments, and as questions pop up, I use an iPhone. So within iPhone, iOS, there's an app called Notes that comes with iOS for free. So I've got a note within the Notes app within my iPhone that's my video to-do list. So for example, a viewer, let's say by the name of Jim Jones. So Jim Jones had asked, hey man, how do I identify topics for my future YouTube videos? You know, I don't have any ideas. So I would write, viewer Jim Jones asks question, how do I identify a topic for YouTube, for upcoming YouTube videos? So that way I've got it on my list. So that's one way that I identify topics for upcoming YouTube videos. The other way that I do it, just things that I'm interested in. So, you know, that could be drones, that could be travel, that could be electric smoker videos, grilling videos, cooking in the kitchen videos, raccoon videos. George Cooney the raccoon, arguably the most famous raccoon in the world. So there's a lot of things I don't have to put a lot of thought into, because I'm already passionate about it, and I try to go for things that are greenfield, quote unquote, greenfield content, which means that it's probably content that's not going to go out of style. Food is probably not going to go out of style. Animals are probably not going to go out of style. Technology is a different animal from the perspective that technology, it will become obsolete. But the good thing about technology, it's somewhat greenfield from the perspective that, you know, let's say you start with version 1 of whatever technological gadget, and let's say today that version 20 of that same technological gadget is out. Just because the original content that was filmed of version 1 may no longer be relevant, people may not be searching for it, it progresses. You know, now you're at version 20 in this example. So following a product like a camera or a drone, following that product and continuing to post videos as newer and newer models of that product come out, that's somewhat greenfield. And even the old videos, the older versions, there will probably still be people that are using a camera or a drone that's several versions behind, and they've got questions and they're looking for videos. Or maybe they're wanting to get into a hobby, drones, photography, videography, whatever, and they don't want to go cutting edge, but they're looking at these they're watching these videos to see how well or how poorly an older version performs, because it may be more than capable enough for their needs. So technological items can be somewhat greenfield. So that's one thing I do. Now there's sites like Google Trends, Trends. You can follow sites like Google Trends to identify what's trending, you know, what's popular. And if you're interested in some of that subject matter, it's easy to post videos that align at that point in time with what's popular within something like Google Trends. And goes without saying, just the world around you, what do you see on a day-to-day basis? Is it something interesting? Maybe you see a UFO and you get a video of it. I mean, that's an awesome and unexpected video opportunity. And filming a UFO, if you're fortunate enough to see one, that's something that's greenfield content, because people are always going to be watching UFO videos. So then there goes to the, you go to the next section. So not viewer suggestions, not personal passion, not Google Trends, but then you go down the tutorial journey. Tutorials are very fascinating, because tutorials, and you'll notice that I'm filming a lot of Final Cut Pro 10 tutorial videos. Tutorials are something that will always remain relevant until that, whatever, it doesn't have to be a technological tutorial. It could be how to use a lawnmower, how to use a leaf blower, how to fix a broken dishwasher. Those types of videos. They may be filmed pertaining to a specific software version or a particular model of a piece of equipment. But a lot of that knowledge is applicable for other models of the equipment, other versions of the software, or maybe even another brand's software. So there's a lot of value within tutorials. And what I do with my Notes app on my iPhone, as I do something like, okay, how do I reload the string in my Works weed trimmer? Well, it's something I had to figure out how to do. If I had to figure out how to do it, then that's a video. So boom, put it in my to-do list. And better yet, if I've got my iPhone in my pocket with me, if I'm not too sweaty doing yard work and I got my iPhone with me, that's a perfect time. Don't delay. Pull your phone out and film that how-to video. So now I've got my to-do list within Notes, and I've got the unedited video of me reloading the trimmer line in my weed trimmer. So it's a very well documented process, but these ideas, whatever may introduce the idea, someone commenting on YouTube, somebody in the real world asking a question, something problematic that occurs. Okay, I locked myself out of a Volkswagen. How do I open a Volkswagen door with a key fob that has a dead battery? That's one of my videos. True experience. Watch the video, you probably didn't know, you pop off a piece of plastic and then you pop out a physical key and you can stick a physical key in there, but you can't see the keyhole on the current model, on most of the current model Volkswagens. So anything that requires thought, how to add windshield washer fluid to an Audi A4. Have you ever tried to do that? The windshield washer fluid poppy doohickey is in a weird spot. So if you have to think about it yourself, there's a good possibility that someone else has had to think about the same thing, and they may not be as intelligent as you are, or they may not have invested the time to troubleshoot and try to self-resolve. So if there's a video out there when they do a YouTube or Google search, that provides quick value for that viewer. So anything like that. How to clean an under the cabinet ice maker. That's something I had to figure out how to do. Old 20-plus-year-old ice maker, but I got to keep it clean. I got to keep it running. How do you do it? Okay, well, I do it, and then I document the process in the form of a YouTube video. So my mind throughout the day and night is brainstorming. Okay, what should I video next? What should I video next? That's how I keep ideas fresh. That's how I never run out of ideas for my YouTube channel, because I'm always experiencing something new, whether it's fun, problematic, combination of both, throughout the day, throughout the night. So as I experience those things, I put them in my Notes app in my iPhone so I don't forget. And if I don't film it, optimally one would film in real time. For example, when I was replacing that weed trimmer line in the weed trimmer, that's the best case, because there's no excuse to not circle back. I circle back to most all of my video topics. But if I can film it right now, right then, that's already done. So then all I've got to do is do the editing piece, send it to Final Cut Pro 10 on my computer, check out my separate video where I talk about intro and outro clips. I just paste in my intro, paste in my outro, and then boom, export the video, upload to YouTube, and then I get into the title, the thumbnail. We're going to talk about that within separate videos. But I hope this YouTube tutorial video series that I've got here on my channel is beneficial. Please ask questions, as many questions as you want to down below, and I'll try to post future videos here on my YouTube channel. And I'm not claiming to be the biggest and the best YouTuber in the world, because I'm not. At the time of filming this video, I think I'm around 95,000 subscribers, and maybe, well, let me pull out my phone, I'll give you a better estimate. So right now, at the time of filming this, I have on my YouTube channel 93,908 subscribers. And video views at the time of filming this, I have let's see, I'm pulling that up. Right now I've got approximately 69,346,220 video views. So I'm definitely not the largest YouTuber, but I've been doing YouTube for quite some time, and I'm willing to share my tips. I'm not asking for money, but if you choose to do so, down below this video and all my videos, you can choose to click that thanks button, and you can choose to send me a super thanks, and that helps to support videos like this one. But the free form of support would be liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and sharing with others. And to take it to the next level, you could even comment and ask a question, because that provides me the opportunity to film, edit, and post a video response for your question or questions. Thanks again for your viewership. Be sure to subscribe and ring that bell when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Irix Guy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.